Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is gonna be probably the most exciting video I've ever done. Yeah, I'm moving to college and I'm moving into my hostel tomorrow, which is 28th of October, and today is 27th, so we are leaving today. I'm gonna make a move-in vlog and thought I will include you guys in it. Right now it is 2:30 p.m. and I'm gonna pack the remaining of my stuff. I've already packed my clothes and like all of my major stuff, but just like my laptop and like the stuff that I use every day, that is left. So I'm gonna pack that right now. So let me quickly do that and then I'll share the plan with you. Also, this is gonna be my college bag, so I thought I'll just utilize it and put my laptop, iPad in this.
Spring is the season.
Hi guys, so I am switching to my phone because I have packed my camera. A little bit of the vlog is gonna be on my phone. So we're in the car right now and the car is loaded, like it's loaded with so much stuff. Yeah, and we have Sam. Hello Sam. Sam, say hello. Hello. I'm wearing the same outfit. I'm wearing this t-shirt. This is from Bonkers Corner. My jeans are Levi's and then my shoes are my favorite ones from Nike AF ones. Yeah, that's the update. Hi, so our plan literally changed like last minute and I'm at my nanny's place right now and we're gonna sleep here and then we're gonna leave tomorrow at 5 a.m. Yeah, like it just literally happened like last minute, so I thought I would update you all. It's around like 10:30 p.m. so I'm gonna sleep. I'm tired to wake up early, leave and everything. So yeah, that's the update. We're gonna sleep here and then leave at 5 a.m.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers.
Hi guys, so we're in Chandigarh, not Chandigarh, we're near my university right now and we are staying in this hotel. It's beautiful, so I'm gonna give you a tour right now. But yeah, we've reached. So I'm gonna give you a little tour and yeah, let's see the room. Okay, so this is the main door from where we enter. Then we have the AC, some space, like closet space. I don't know what that is. That might just be like a safe or something. Yeah, that's a safe. And then you come here, more closet space. Then here's the washroom, which is actually really pretty. They provide a hair dryer. Like what? I've never seen that before. Then we come into the room and on this side we have a mini fridge. There's our Kanaji and coffee and stuff, kettle, water. This is the extra bed we got. Then we have a chair and a table here. That's, I think, the window. There's no view. Then of course the mirror and then the main bed. Hi, finally I got time and I'm in my room. It was really hectic. I'm gonna give you a little tour very quick. This is the entry door and then you come here. This is my room. Ignore the mess. I have a table, balcony, bed, a cooler. They don't have AC yet. Then we come out, we have this lobby area. Then another similar room. We have the washroom separately and then another room. None of my roommates are here yet, which is weird, but okay. Love having the space to myself. But yeah, I'm gonna work a little bit and then I'll see you. I'm really happy with the room that I got though. Like, it's beautiful. Hi, I'm back in the hotel room. I showed you guys my room and I took a night out while I passed from the college and I'm gonna be with my fam today and tomorrow and like just see Chandigarh and stuff and like roam around and stuff. So yeah, I'm back here. I'm really tired. My room is literally on the 8th floor, so yeah, it was a good workout. But yeah, I just threw my stuff in there and locked my room from outside, and then yeah, that's what I did. I'm really happy. The single room made me so happy. Like I thought I was gonna get a room with like 3 beds and stuff, but I got a single room. Like there were 3 like single rooms. It's kind of like a flat, and I love it. I'm gonna lay down right now and see you guys later. I'm really tired. We did not even like see the rest of the college because we were like so tired. I'm gonna rest, lay down in this cozy comfy bed. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day. We are going to Chandigarh to do some shopping and stuff. We're gonna go to a mall to get a little bit of things that I don't have, and that is my mom.
Hi.
Of course. Hi Chaudhary.
Dad.
Not interested. Hello Papa.
Hello.
So yeah, all of us are going to a mall right now, and I'm gonna go back to my hostel today at like 4 or 5 p.m. and then my family is gonna leave me alone here and go back. So yeah, that's the plan. We're going shopping right now.
नहीं मैं भी हॉस्टल में रहूँगी यहीं पढ़ाई करूँगी.
So yeah, that's the plan.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the goddamn. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever.
I'm in my room right now, and I told you that I went shopping, so I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I got. Like, let's do a little haul. Like, it's all a mess right now. This is a Miniso bag. Then I have Bath and Body Works. I got a mirror, little vanity mirror. Got some facial razors. Then I got these Minion socks and these watermelon socks. I got this hairbrush, some hair clips, and a nail cutter, nail clipper, whatever you want to call it. That's everything from Miniso. Also got a Red Bull from somewhere. And then from Bath and Body Works, I got a body lotion. It's called You're the One. It's the one I got. And I also went to Zara. I got 2 things from there. I got this orange high neck sweater and a green high neck. That's my little haul, and I'm gonna put this away and then I'm gonna talk to you guys. Okay, right now I'm setting up my room a little bit. There's a lot of mess. I'm really tired. We're gonna work for a little bit and then we'll chill. It's the next day and it's time for a room tour. So here we go. This is the entrance to my room. Then we have the mirror, and then this is my bed and some of my daily wear shoes. And then we come to this side, which is my table, and I've organized it and everything. That's all of my stuff over there. Then I have my almirah, and that's pretty much it for the tour. Here's a full 360 of the room. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then like this video and share this video and comment down below which was the best part of this video for you, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Also, the next video is gonna be my first day of college, in-person classes, so yeah, I'll see you in that one.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you.